I'm Chan. I'm sales leader from Ngoc Handicraft and Furniture Company. Ngoc Hafuco is one of the biggest company in Vietnam. We're working on the nature fiber. I think ITC, ICS idea is a very good idea because you make like a database and you make the bridge to connect between the consumer and the producer together to get to support us to know more about each other. As Ngoc Hafuco, we want to have a factory ID in the platform of ITC and ICS because we want to make a chance to tell more about our story to the consumer and the client, and also the other hand, we want the client and the other company in the network know more about us and what our commitment for the sustainability development. As Ngoc Hafuco, we hope that this program and the platform can support for us in like branding and marketing and to talk more about us and to get connection between the other client, consumer and producer, and we can learn and share about our story.